Hey, welcome to 2 Minutes. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use the pen tool. Let's get into it. Here's the pen tool and here's how to use it. You're going to find the pen tool on the left side of your screen on your toolbar. When you click anywhere on your artboard, it's going to place what's called an anchor point. And that's exactly what it sounds like. It's a point that's just anchored in place. When you drag away from this point, you're going to see a line start to form. And you can drag this line as far away or as close to that point as you'd like. When you click again, it's going to put another anchor point down, and it's going to solidify the line between those 2 points. It's kind of like connect the dots, but you can place the dots anywhere you'd like. Now, you can create any type of shape you'd like with this, and once you get to the end again, click again, and it's going to close that shape. That's going to be helpful later when you need to change colors. Now, you might be wondering, what if I want my shape to be curved, round in some way? I can't create that out of straight lines. No problem. After you click, don't let go. Instead, drag away from that shape. It's going to create what's called handles, and handles will always drag away symmetrically. Once you let go, you're going to see that your line is a little bit curved. If you click again to put another anchor point down, drag away again. You'll see that your curve will get even curvier. Let go, and you can just keep doing that all over till you get back to the beginning. It's going to take a little bit of time to get used to, but no worries. Just practice a little bit, have fun with it, and you'll be sure to get it. That's the basics of the pen tool. Thanks so much for watching.